So hey guys, kakarating ko lang. I have a package again. What is this? I just arrived from work. Sorry sa background, ang dami ingay. I have something again on my mail. Oh, my mail. I have a package, I mean. Okay, open this. What is this again? So, let's see. Gummy bears. Again. It says here that there's a message. See where? Nothing. Okay, nothing. Who should I call? I don't know. Who sent this? I don't want to ruin it. Ah. Present sorry. Ano ba to? Ano ba yan? Paano ba to? Ano ba? Ganito yung kosher? Should I remove it like that? Baka masina ako. Ganito ba talaga to? Kaya tanggal, ganyan. Sorry guys, first time to guys. Sino ba salamatan ko nito? Thank you Lord. Sorry. Diba, yung pagod ko sa trabaho, kanina binibina ako ng client, ay wag ba akong gumalaw-galaw. Kasi birthday ko, nagtrabaho ka na, diba? Hindi ka pinagod. Pinakain ka pa, tapos pagdating mo ganyan. Thank you. Hindi kaya sila ate, or sila Matthew. Let's find out. So this is how it looks like. It arrives like that. So medyo tinanggal ko na. I already removed the plastic. It shows like that. The gummy bear here. Thank you. Flowers.com 1-800-flowers.com. And I don't know who really sent this, but let me find out later. It's either at Iris or my family in Kansas from Auntie Joyce, or my Tommy family, or of course from Matthew. I don't know. So I don't know who to call because my sister Auntie Joyce is still at work and Matthew is still working, but I will chat them if who really did send these flowers. Thank you. You make me happy.